SF Cooking School. Whether you just want to learn proper knife skills or you want to learn how to make your own dim sum dumplings, the SF Cooking School near City Hall has a class for everyone. They have classes that detail dishes made at the city's best restaurants, as well as workshops in everything from killer fried chicken to wines of Italy. Classes are usually 2-4 hours long and conclude with a group meal around the table with wine. If you're truly inspired, you can apply to become a culinary student. Cozymeal. Citywide. With classes all over the city, including such neighborhoods as the Haight-Ashbury, North Beach, and Mid-Market, this business is actually run by individual chefs, each who will teach you their favorite dish, from mastering macarons to perfecting pastas, in the comfort of their own restaurant kitchens. Chef Joe's Culinary Salon. Souffles are Chef Joe's specialty. And he'll teach you how to make it poof perfectly in the comfort of his own kitchen in Debussy Triangle, just north of the Castro. If you're after something a bit more practical, Chef Joe also offers a Thanksgiving rehearsal dinner, a holiday dessert shop, and beer-specific classes. Oh, and there's of course some wine to go with your cooking.